Want to know how to link your account to Google in Game of Thrones? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones game and you should be provided with this interface right here. So linking your account is super simple. Let's say you have a guest account like mine and you want to link it to save its progress. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing account linking. Just simply select it. So once you have selected account linking, here you should be under Netmarble ID. So right here you should be seeing sign in with Google. That should be right beside sign in with email. Just simply select it. So once you have selected sign in with Google, here you should be provided with another interface where you can just simply select a Google account that you want to log in with. Select agree and share. So once you have agreed to all the terms and conditions, your account should be synced and it should update in a minute. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.